Hi everyone, welcome to Pro Football DNA. Janesy back here, just finished in the gym today, and to be honest, I'm pretty tired. And as I was working out, I was really wanted to give up, and it got me thinking about the stuff that I've been talking about with you in our community. How hard it was in there. I did have a fixed mindset, I'll be honest, and I didn't think I would get through it, but I did because I worked hard, and that got me thinking about Carol Dweck's growth mindset and how this concept we can start to put into practice with our kids and our players on the field. Really, growth mindset, thinking about, and fixed mindsets, thinking about this failure and not wanting to actually carry on with something because we feel we can't succeed. And Carol Dweck really talks about having this learning through failure and failing big and learning from our mistakes and pushing through. And then moving forward is can we actually be innovators? Can we inspire and inquire to innovate, trying something new? And if you haven't checked out George Curios, he talks about the innovators mindset. So can we move our children from a growth mindset through to from a fixed mindset through to a growth mindset, and actually inspire, inquire and innovate, try something new every day. So I've been Janesy, this is Pro Football DNA, and yep, it's been hard today. I'm just going to go and have a cold drink and hang out. Looking forward to connecting you within our community. Tell me what you think. You know, I challenge you to inspire and inquire and innovate every day. Try something new and pass that on to your players and your kids. I've been Janesy. Sign up to our YouTube channel, our LinkedIn or our Facebook. Like I say, I'm going to get a drink. Have a good one, guys. See you soon. Cheers then. Bye.